when they're at Churchill Beach in St. Elizabeth, you know everything is alright. And you know we're walking on green carpets. Remember I told you we're walking on carpets and you don't hear us see nothing yet. Remember we're still right beside the pool, swimming pool, relaxing and everything cool. Do you know that this is a special occasion? When I say special occasion, is a man like Mr. O'Neill. Big thing. You know this is the wedding for all wedding. Biggest wedding. Jesus come down from heaven to witness this wedding. I tell you that we are fishing the sea, coming down to witness this one. This one is the big one. Wedding of all wedding. I tell you that angel fly down from heaven to witness this wedding. I tell you it's O'Neill, the real man thing, big man thing. I tell special request to the boss. Foreign land. You know the man couldn't be here, but the man said, oh, love goes out to his small brother and a big thing. So when I say, this is the biggest wedding, I tell you that angel fly down from heaven to witness this wedding. I tell you it's O'Neill wedding. And I tell you, where you see we here, you know that it's the biggest thing. Because anything can jar we out them way. So I tell you that we are Churchill Beach, St. Elizabeth. We're walking on green carpet. Fret them a fret and then I see nothing yet. I tell you that is we and the whole entourage. Sharp hello, the whole friend them here and we are going to have a good time. We're going to have a ball. You know see the cake yet. You know see the groom and you know see nothing yet. So don't fret. Stick around and don't be a clown. Because you're going to see something you never see before. Churchill Beach, St. Elizabeth. I'm at the poolside and everything is alright. Watch the ride. Watch the ride. Watch the ride. Watch the ride.